Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can decrease Discord taking up resources on your CPU. This is really simple. All you have to do is follow my few simple steps. So basically, let's say you're playing a video game, right? Such as Valorant, Fortnite, or Roblox, anything, right? And you're on a call with somebody, right? And you just notice you're having lag spikes. It might be because of Discord, and you have to turn off this option that I'm going to show you right now. So first, go down and locate user settings. Click on it, and then it'll take you to here. And here, you want to go down until you locate voice and video. And here, you want to go down and down until you find the option that says hardware acceleration. You have to turn it off. What it does is that it makes Discord run faster. But when you're playing games, Discord will take up resources which you don't want it to take up. And this will make your system lag and make it slow. So after you turn this off, it'll make it so your system doesn't lag anymore. So that was it. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.